What's up everybody, I'm Blevin Robinson with West Coast Cajun Cuisine. In today's video, smothered green beans. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If this is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to cook authentic Cajun cuisine, comfort food, and just about anything for that matter, then you've come to the right place. Click the subscription button and that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now today's video is a kickoff for our Thanksgiving series. And we're going to start things off today with a little side, and I'm going to show you how to take a normal everyday can of green beans and just take it up to a level of scrumptiousness you will not believe. Now normally, a lot of families will just have green bean casserole, which is perfectly fine. My family has it and we love it. But I just want to give you an alternative to green bean casserole. We're going to take green beans and we're going to smother them down in tomato, onions, garlic, a few spices. Look, these are good anytime. I like to have them during barbecues, different things like that. It's just a side for whenever. But I particularly thought that you guys might like to have this as an alternative to a Thanksgiving side. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to the kitchen and start cooking. All right, as you can see here, this is a very simple recipe. We're just going to use 2 cans of green beans, 1 can of diced tomato, about a half a cup of chopped onion, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and I'm going to use about a half a cup of chopped smoked sausage. First thing we're going to do is get a saucepan. We're going to heat it up to a medium to medium-high heat. We're going to add our sausage straight in there. This sausage is going to render enough fat to where we won't have to add any extra oil or anything. So we're going to go ahead and give that a good stir, cook it down for about 10 minutes or so. We want to get a nice color, as you can see here. And then you can see all that fat that's rendered out. Now we're going to add the onions. And we're only going to cook the onions down for maybe 5 minutes, just to where they start to soften up. And then we'll add the garlic. Same thing here, we're going to get that garlic in there, get a nice mix. And we're only going to cook the garlic down for maybe 2 minutes or so. And then from there we'll add the green beans. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cans to this. And we just want to get everything mixed well. We're not going to cook this down too long. We're just going to go ahead and get everything all well incorporated. And then we will add our seasoning. Now, once I get that seasoning in there, we will mix once again. Like I said, we're not going to cook it down for any length of time yet. We just want to get everything well mixed, and then we'll add our tomato. Now, once I get the tomato in there, we're going to give it a good mix and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Now, I did drain the green beans. I did not drain the tomato. So we're going to let that simmer in that tomato juice for about 30 minutes or so. And this is the end result. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was my take on smothered green beans. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. Now, next week, we're going to keep it rolling with another side, another alternative for Thanksgiving. It's going to be sweet potatoes, and it's not what you think. So go ahead, make sure you catch that video next week. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. And by the way, since you're here, go ahead and check out one of the other videos on the channel, and I'll see you then.